Hi, this is part 4. This is my rear wheel fitted. New swing arm. I had to get a new swing arm. It's longer in length. And as you can see in part 3, if you look at my videos, this tyre was touching here. And then it had no clearance at all. Now we've got about 2 inches. And I could bring this wheel back a little bit more. As you can see, it's got a little bit more adjustment there if I want it. So I just got to order myself a longer chain now to fit that. This swing arm comes from Pure Rush, and it's 480mm. My existing one was 450mm, and this measurement is taken from the center of this bolt going through the frame to this center of your axle, which goes through the wheel. So it's 30mm longer in that distance, but it makes a huge difference. Now the only thing I can say is when you get these wheels and you decide yes, it's what you want, have a look around before you buy the wheels. Make sure you can get the swing arm. And there's different sorts as well. There's different styles, so beware. There is a few different ones out there. You need to look at yours, record some measurements. What I did, this is my old one here, so I can show you. I measured in between here and here, which I think is about 170mm, and that fits to the frame. That's really crucial. You need that distance to be right. And inside here as well, you can see that's hollow. There's little tiny insert spacers that go in there. I took mine out to reuse them. And then you need to measure the distance between here and here. I said that's 170mm. I lied. That's nowhere near 170mm. This is 170mm. Sorry about that. That's my mistake. But all I'm trying to make a point is that you need to measure these two distance to make sure it'll fit your bike. Now, I noticed that some of these swing arms have got a different fixture to your shock. Some don't have this. Some have a frame that comes off here, like a little frame that comes over, a bit like the monkey bike style swing arm. I found loads of them that was slightly bigger, but this isn't a monkey bike. But anyway, there we are, guys. Any questions I'm willing to answer. There's some more videos coming up shortly. Any tips I can give is make sure that you grease your bolts. On the thread, use copper grease. On moving parts, use lithium grease. Do not use copper grease on any moving parts, because it has got fragments of copper in it, and it's just like sandpaper. So just beware. It's just for anti-seize stuff. But I love copper grease. It's brilliant. It just makes it easy when you have to take things off again. So here we have it, my Demon X with an upgrade size wheels. It's lying over a bit more than what it used to, because obvious it's higher, so higher up. I think it measures now just 30 inches to the seat, to the floor. So there we have it, guys. Happy to help. Any comments you can give me, any questions, feel free. Thank you guys. Bye.